When it comes to expertise, you could actually monetize the knowledge that you have here. Some digital products that you can develop are ebooks, audios, video training, courses, memberships like the Trusted Voice, or I'm going to show you some really simple ways, low-tech ways for you to sell your products without really going deep down into developing websites or going to Kajabi. So I'm going to be teaching you about Gumroad and introduce you the concept of selling your own first digital product. What I really like about Gumroad is that the fact that it's super simple, that anyone like yourself who's got no tech, no website development could use Gumroad and upload a digital product. And the good thing about Gumroad is that all you have to do is just upload a digital product. And I just noticed that Gumroad has pre-sales, you could sell it now. I'm going to show you and introduce you how to set up your first digital product, but also has memberships as well, which is kind of curious because 6 months ago, I noticed that Gumroad didn't have this feature. So what they're trying to do is they want you to start selling straight away. So a good thing about Gumroad is that you could, if you have an ebook already ready, you could start uploading it and they help you from A to Z, from payments, like uploading it, promoting it, and even having just like a little Gumroad link so you could start promoting straight away. When your prospect or customer starts buying it, they purchase it and it delivers the ebook straight to their inbox straight away. So that's something that I really like about Gumroad. They do, like, I'm going to be talking about the payment and what options they have as well, but just note that every time a customer purchases something, what they go do is they go take a percentage of that as well. So I'm going to put a number there just to let you know, but I'm going to confirm with you what that number is as well. If you have a website, but you want to add digital products, you could always embed Gumroad into it as well. So there are a few benefits just from a low tech, super easy and convenient use of using Gumroad and integrating this. And as a first point of MVP, this is a great place to start as well. I'm going to talk about the price point and how Gumroad works. You could get started and there is no monthly fees. You can have as many products as you like, and it has customer management. But also what they do is like they charge you. So what's the cost? They charge you 5% and a fee for every time someone purchases your item. Whereas like if you have $10 a month, note this as well, like there's going to be a Gumroad branding as well. So if you want to have your own branding, your own domain, this is something that can consider, but this is only for anyone like less than 1,000 customers. So, and they also charge similar pricing, like actually they charge 3.5, whereas this one is 5%. So the charge is very similar, but it's going to be less. It's really good if you're like go focus on volume and you're pushing out your first product. So that's why I chose Gumroad, because you could allow you to embed it into your websites, or you could just like straight out develop a digital product and upload it into a Gumroad yourself. So there you have it. I chose Gumroad because it's super easy to use. It's great for like for you to like develop your first digital product, and something for you to consider in terms of like trying something out, because it goes through the process of what a traditional digital product is: developing the product, uploading the product, setting up a sales page, and also making sure that it delivers to the customer as well. And because they have that payment portal, there's a win-win. It allows you to actually don't think about that. So they make it super easy for creators, experts like yourself, just to create a digital product and start selling. The key thing is you don't stop there and expect people will come. You have to actually promote it, put it into your LinkedIn profile, put it into your LinkedIn bios, all the socials, and actively promote it and give it the hype that it deserves, so people know that your ebook, your digital product exists in the first place. And again, if you need any feedback, thoughts, someone to bounce off with ideas, go into the trusted circle and we could give you that feedback that you want.